Through the storm and the fire, RastaMan stand firm. Sunrise red over Kingston Hill, cool breeze carry iron will. Babylon shout but me silent still, truth sharper than them quill. Them pressure hard from every side, temptation whisper full of pride, but conscience stand as in a guide. No need for run and hide. Them say compromise fi reach the top, sell your soul and never stop. But Rasta na join that shop, me foundation pan the rock. Barefoot trot pan dusty lane, feel the joy inside the pain. Through the loss and through the gain, Jah love rename. RastaMan stand firm, through every lesson life affirm. Fire blaze and still no burn, RastaMan stand firm. RastaMan stand firm, wisdom what me earn, Babylon table overturn, RastaMan stand firm. Look youth them watch and learn, see which candle truly burn, see which leader twist and turn, see which heart concern. Me no follow fashion trend, truth me hold until the end. Lion heart me defend, righteous path me send. Them flash gold and glitter bright, promise fame in the night, but integrity are the real might. Keep your spirit upright. Marcus' words still echo clear, self-reliance conquer fear. Even when the road's severe, Judge are near. RastaMan stand firm, through the fire undisturbed. Spirit strong and well informed, RastaMan stand firm. Hear me now, firm no mean stiff like stone, it mean rooted like tree well grown. Star may shake but trunk full grown, faith deeper than bone. Firm no mean fight with hate, it mean guard the inner gate. Meditate and elevate, leave vengeance to fate. Me sister cry for justice cheer, me brother weary from daily scare. Still we lift up righteous prayer, Jah presence everywhere. System try fi twist the mind, teach we selfish, cruel and blind. But love a treasure we must find, unity combined. From Trenchstone yard to countryside, same red, gold and green we ride. No false ego fi divide, truth our guide. History heavy pan we back, chain and whip leave silent crack. But consciousness attack and we not turn back. RastaMan stand firm, Babylon a squirm. Truth no shorter term, RastaMan stand firm. RastaMan stand firm, through the trial and the term. Future bright confirm, RastaMan stand firm. Life test every mortal soul, tempt them with a glitter goal, but discipline control make the broken whole. Freedom start inside your chest, peace no come from bullet vest. Clean heart stand the test, humble man blessed. Firm like mountain in a rain, steady it through the joy and pain. Nothing righteous done in vain. Love shall reign. So when the night seem long and cold, and fear try grip and hold, remember prophecy of old, truth more precious than gold. RastaMan stand firm, never bow nor squirm. Through the fire we affirm. RastaMan stand firm, till the wicked system burn and the righteous return. RastaMan stand firm. Stand firm in a learn. Stand firm in a truth. Stand firm in a Jah. Stand firm in a Jah. To the east, see the sign in the sky, black star rising. Midnight sky full of Asian sign, constellation draw divine design. Through slavery scar and plantation line, still the black star shine. Ship one sail cross bitter sea, chain and whip try conquer we, but spirit strong and heart stay free. Destiny writing a prophecy, from Ashanti drum to Maroonell, rebel fire burning still. History blood them try to spill, but heritage can't kill. Them tell we say we small and weak, teach we about one never speak, but lion not no take defeat. Royal bloodline unique. Black star rising high, shine across the African sky. Through tribulation we multiply. Black star rising high, black star rising bright. Guide the children through the night, from darkness into light. Black star rising bright. Me see the ghetto youth them strive, concrete jungle barely survive. Still them dream and stay alive, keep the ancient flame revive. Babylon rewrite the past, hide the truth but it can't last. Time reveal them lies so fast, justice come at last. Marcus vision never fade, back to Africa justice fire burn. Black star rising strong, lyrical version strong. We've been silent too long. Black star rising strong. Black star rising clear, chase away the fear. Future drawing near. Black star rising bright. Star a guide for wandering soul. Point to higher Rome. Not just freedom partial, but liberation whole. Wealth not only silver shine, but land and food and conscious mind. Education by design, build the future spine. Spirituality and enterprise, wisdom open blinded eyes. When we organize and strategize, true power arise. Black star not just symbol bright, it a discipline and insight. Moral compass in a sight, lead we through the fight. Black star rising high across the sea and sky. No more question why. Black star rising bright, guide we through the night, till we claim the right. Black star rising, black star rising. Rasta chant and organizing. Black star rising, black star rising. From the root to the crown, we rise. Black star rising.
Yeah, man. Through the storm and the fire, RastaMan stand firm. Sunrise red over Kingston Hill. Cool breeze carry iron will. Babylon shout but me silent still. Truth sharper than them quill. Them pressure hard from every side. Temptation whisper full of pride. But conscience stand as in a guide. No need for run and hide. Them say compromise fi reach the top. Sell your soul and never stop. But Rasta na join that shop. Me foundation pan the rock. Barefoot trot pan dusty lane. Feel the joy inside the pain. Through the loss and through the gain, Jah love remain. RastaMan stand firm. Through every lesson life affirm. Fire blaze and still no burn. RastaMan stand firm. RastaMan stand firm. Wisdom what me earn. Babylon table overturn. RastaMan stand firm. Look youth them watch and learn. See which candle truly burn. See which leader twist and turn. See which heart concern. Me no follow fashion trend. Truth me hold until the end. Lion heart me defend. Righteous path me send. Them flash gold and glitter bright. Promise fame in the night. But integrity are the real might. Keep your spirit upright. Marcus' words still echo clear. Self
Jaja near. RastaMan stand firm through the fire undisturbed. Spirit strong and well informed. RastaMan stand firm. Hear me now. Firm no mean stiff like stone. It mean rooted like tree well grown. Star may shake but trunk full grown. Faith deeper than bone. Firm no mean fight with hate. It mean guard the inner gate. Meditate and elevate. Leave vengeance to fate. Me sister cry for justice cheer. Me brother weary from daily scare. Still we lift up righteous prayer. Jah presence everywhere. System try fi twist the mind. Teach we selfish, cruel and blind. But love a treasure we must find. Unity combined. From Trenchstone yard to countryside. Same red, gold and green we ride. No false ego fi divide. Truth our guide. History heavy pan we back. Chain and whip leave silent crack. But consciousness attack and we not turn back. RastaMan stand firm. Babylon a squirm. Truth no shorter term. RastaMan stand firm. RastaMan stand firm. Through the trial and the term. Future bright confirm. RastaMan stand firm. Life test every mortal soul. Tempt them with a glitter goal. But discipline control make the broken whole. Freedom start inside your chest. Peace no come from bullet vest. Clean heart stand the test. Humble man blessed. Firm like mountain in a rain. Steady through the joy and pain. Nothing righteous done in vain. Love shall reign. So when the night seem long and cold, and fear try grip and hold, remember prophecy of old. Truth more precious than gold. RastaMan stand firm. Never bow nor squirm. Through the fire we affirm. RastaMan stand firm. Till the wicked system burn and the righteous return. RastaMan stand firm. Stand firm in a learn. Stand firm in a truth. Stand firm in a Jah. Stand firm in a Jah. To the east, see the sign in the sky, black star rising. Midnight sky full of Asian sign, constellation draw divine design. Through slavery scar and plantation line, still the black star shine. Ship one sail cross bitter sea. Chain and whip try conquer we. But spirit strong and heart stay free. Destiny writing a prophecy. From Ashanti drum to Maroonell. Rebel fire burning still. History blood them dry. Black star rising high.
Listen now, star no shine for one alone. It plays for every throne, every child without a home, every seed just sown. Black star a symbol deep, promise that we have to keep. So good thought and you shall reap, even when the valley steep. From Kingston yard to Accra shore, heartbeat echo evermore. One struggle, one core, unity open the door. Them try divide by flag and tongue, turn the old against the young, but truth louder when it's sung. Revolution just begun. Me sister wear a crown with pride, natural beauty can't hide. Melanin like ocean tide, power from inside. Me brother stand tall and firm, lessons history help him learn. Oppression turned overturned, justice fire burn. Black star rising strong, lyrical version strong. We've been silent too long. Black star rising strong. Black star rising quill, chase away the fear. Future drawing near. Black star rising bright. Star a guide for wandering soul. Wine to higher Rome. Not just freedom partial, but liberation whole. Wealth not only silver shine, but land and food and conscious mind. Education by design, build the future spine. Spirituality and enterprise, wisdom open blinded eyes. When we organize and strategize, true power arise.